Pastor Daron, you were telling me our first twist is going to be a dog.
That's right, I'm going to make a dog.
Right.
So I'm going to inflate the balloon.
You know I can make a hot dog.
You can make a hot dog.
Yeah.
Not a hot dog. It's a twisted dog.
A twisted dog. Well, I used to have one of them.
You're bright today, Arnie.
Yeah.
I'm going to inflate the balloon.
Right.
That's it.
That's the hot dog I can make.
No. I'm leaving about 10 to 15 centimetres uninflated at the end.
Right.
That's so when you twist the balloon, the air runs down to the bottom end of the balloon.
Okay, so it's got somewhere to go.
That's right. Tie it off.
Mm-hmm.
And now I'm going to start at the knotted end.
Right.
And I'm going to make about a 10 centimetre bubble for the head of the dog.
Mm.
There it is.
No, that's good.
That's right. We need to do 2 ears. I'm going to form 2 about 9 centimetre bubbles.
For the ears.
So now you have something like sausages.
Yeah, well, let's have a barbecue.
No, not tonight, Arnie.
Okay.
We're going to bring bubbles 2 and bubble 3 together in a lock twist to form the ears.
Righto, there goes that lock twist.
And there's the face of the dog.
Well, let's face it, Pastor Daron, that's pretty good.
Now, using the knowledge of that lock twist,
Mm-hmm.
I can finish off the dog.
Okay.
So I'm going to make a neck,
Going to make a neck.
small bubble,
Mm-hmm.
and then 2 bubbles locked together for the legs.
2 legs.
Bring those 2 together.
Right, bring them together. Lock twist.
There it is.
And there it is. You've walked us through that pretty good, Pastor Daron.
Oh, thanks.
Yeah.
Now, look at your proportion. You
Yeah.
need a body, you need 2 back legs and a tail.
And a tail.
Each dog is different. Look at what you got left
Mm-hmm.
and how big you need to make your
Right.
dog. So I'm going to make a body about that long.
Okay. It's going to be a sausage dog, is it?
Oh yeah, it's a long body.
Yeah.
Now, 2 more bubbles for the back legs.
Right, back legs.
And leave a tail.
Yeah, a tail.
Bring those 2 together.
And do that lock twist.
That's right. And there you have the basic dog.
And there it is. A basic dog. And that looks pretty good. Can I have a closer look?
You can take him.
Yeah, that's fantastic, Pastor Daron. Hey, there's the tail end. Yeah. Fantastic.